So we throw a trash there, guys, and we are off to another location. Let's go.
In this episode, we are traveling from Osaka to Nagoya.
We are gonna stay here for 2 days.
But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video.
We're heading to Nagoya, and medyo di namin masyado ma-figure out how to go there. Tapos anyway, so una, hindi kasi namin ma-figure out kung paano, so bumili muna kami ng ticket na to. This is going to Nagoya, but this is a normal ticket, costing 2,860 isang tao.
Yes, tama. We did the right thing.
Really? So
Yeah.
we need this and we need this.
Because nakita natin sa board 4,990, di ba? So we paid 2,860 plus pag binad mo yung 2,130, that's 4,990.
Okay. So okay lang yung ginawa. Siguro you can also purchase this
Right away. Pwede mo siya bilhin na.
ng ganong
Pero
presyo.
since nakabili na tayo nito.
Buti na just nila, no? Ayun. So hindi kasi namin ma-figure out. Ito muna yung binili namin. Tapos nung nakita namin yung terminal na kung saan pwedeng bumili ng ticket ng Kintetsu Line, buti na lang in-adjust nila kasi yung presyo is 2,130 for this one. So this one is 2,860. So all in all, parang 5,000 yen yung binayaran namin for this trip per head. So important ito kasi this is a special train. It will only make 3 stops, and the whole journey would be around 2.5 hours. So ganun kalayo yung Nagoya from here, and may allocated seats dito. So reserved seating yung Kintetsu Line going to Nagoya. Kaya yun, if you're planning to go to Nagoya, you need to look for the Kintetsu Line Limited Express para hindi kayo magaya sa amin na nagkamali ng bili. Oo. Pero okay na rin kasi, I mean, sakto yung dating namin. Kasi yung alis namin is 11:03. So we arrived here like 25 minutes ahead of time. So saktong-sakto kasi medyo pinifigure out pa namin how to do it. So meron kaming time to make mistakes, which we had. The ride is here. Food rest, guys. Nakasakay na kami sa Kintetsu Line Train Limited Express. Yung luggage namin nilagay namin sa likod kasi hindi kakasya dito. Actually, naghanap kami ng area kung saan ilalagay yung luggage. Hindi namin yung figure out where. Yung bag namin, nilagay namin dito sa taas. Aircon. Yeah, pero malamig naman today. I need to experience that. Okay guys, so nasa Nagoya na kami. Ito yung sinakyan natin na tren a while ago. So now, lilipat kami ng another train line going doon sa ating hotel. So we're a few minutes away from our hotel. Hila-hila ang aming mga malalaking luggage. So it's just 1:30 in the afternoon. 3 o'clock pa yung ating check-in. So probably we're just gonna leave our stuff and then start to roam around the city. Zoo. Hotel Trustee, Nagoya Shirakawa. So, we got our room key dahil available na raw siya as early as 1 o'clock. This is a very cozy hotel. Okay. Room is ready. Okay. Okay guys, room. Really, CR yan eh. Table, huge table. We got TV, twin beds. Medyo masikip lang, but pwede na.
It's a decent.
Decent room. Okay, so cabinet. We got slippers, mirror, and this is the toilet. And bath. We are gonna stay here for 2 days, 2 nights rather, and with breakfast yung hotel natin, and we paid 30,000 yen, which is equivalent to around 11,000 pesos. We'll go around.
On our next episode,
Mona Asia. The Science Museum natin. Pero yeah, ang pamasahe, ang fee